Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Alright, so here we have this design here. And it's 8.585 by 15.883 in height. So, when I go to break this up, surely enough, if you have a vinyl cutter like mine, you can just highlight all of this. Go to templates, right click on vinyl overcut stone 2+ cut, and it breaks it up for you just like this. Nice and simple. It gives you your two cuts here. So you have your rhinestone for your white, which is representative of the aquamarine. Then you have for the red, for the bow, the two bows on her. And then you have for the blue. All right. So essentially, yes, you can highlight this like this. Right click, and so you want to save this file and export it here as a SVG. But the way I like to do it, that makes it easier, is I like to first break my stone colors apart. I'm going to select all the aquamarine and drag that over and make a copy. I'm going to combine all of that together. And I'm going to drag all of this pink here. I'm going to right click. I'm not going to combine that together yet though, because I can move this here and move this up here and move this here. So not only would that save on your rhinestone flock, but now I can grab the next color of the design, which is that blue. I can grab all of that blue, move the blue over here, make a copy, and then of course I'll move this closer, and then I'll move this closer as well. And then now what I will do is I will combine all of that together, and that's my rhinestone template there. Sure enough, I can do the same thing with this over here. I can move my blues closer together, so that way, after I cut out the template and I brush in the stones and pick them up, then I can just cut it here and cut it here, place this part separately. Oh, excuse me. Place the face separately, that way you can get better placement when you making your shirts. All right. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video today. I hope this video has been helpful with how to do your rhinestone designs in order to save flock. But it also helps you to make the design better because you don't have to try to piece in this whole rhinestone over the design. You can actually cut it and get better placement. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.